is your heart?
Hello, everybody. This semester, we welcome everyone to come to our England camp this October.
Look at the water.
Stick your sequins around the arm. The topic of this camp is Master Chef, the world in my kitchen. You will learn to cook national foods in 10 countries, including England, Italy, America, and more.
One, two, three, four.
Bring your glass and bring your bowl to the bottom. There.
Done. He walks, he talks, he even sings. Who likes to eat fish?
I like learning phonics. I love cooking. I like awesome class. I like teacher. I am very happy. English camp is very fun. I like English camp. I will come back to English camp again.
Welcome, and I hope to see you guys at the October camp at Phonics first.
สมัครวันนี้จากปกติ 17,500 บาทลด 20% ทันที เหลือเพียง 14,000 บาท 10 ท่านแรกที่สมัครเข้ามาแถมฟรีกิจกรรมช่วงบ่ายมูลค่า 4,000 บาท รีบสมัครกันมานะคะ
I love